Systems do not fail when intelligence is weak. They fail when responsibility is unclear. This course is not about ideas. It is about operation, where decisions touch real users, real capital, and real consequences. Systems must stop guessing and start holding weight. Chapter 1. From Concept to System. A concept can tolerate ambiguity. A system cannot. When FinAI becomes operational, every assumption must be placed somewhere. Data must come from defined sources. Interpretation must have limits. Decision support must stop before execution. Applied FinAI begins when boundaries are enforced, not in theory, in code, in interfaces, in logs. Chapter 2. The components of a FinAI system. An operational FinAI system is layered. There is a data layer. There is an interpretation layer. There is a decision support layer. And there must be a decision stopping layer. This final layer does not calculate. It prevents. It ensures that recommendations do not become commands. Without this layer, intelligence accelerates beyond control. Chapter 3. Designing questions, not answers. Systems do not fail because answers are wrong. They fail because questions were unrestricted. In Applied FinAI, questions are interfaces. Every question defines what the system is allowed to consider. Poorly designed questions expand risk silently. Well-designed questions contain it. The system must reject questions that collapse judgment into automation. Freedom without structure is not empowerment. It is exposure. Chapter 4. Delivering judgment, not numbers. Numbers feel precise. They are also dangerous. Scores, rankings, and probabilities invite action without reflection. Applied FinAI delivers judgmental context, not numerical pressure. It presents options, conditions, trade-offs, and the validity of waiting. The system must allow user to stop. If stopping is not visible, control has already been lost. Decision support and interface design. Interfaces guide behavior. A button is not neutral. Placement, color, and default status shape decisions before reasoning begins. Applied FinAI designs interface that slow action. Review before execution. Comparison before confirmation. Delay before commitment. Efficiency is not the goal. Control is. Chapter 6. Automation and its limits. Automation is tempting. It removes friction. It increases speed. It also removes accountability. In Applied FinAI, automation is conditional. Some tasks can be automated. Some decisions cannot. The system must define which steps require human confirmation and which failures demand intervention. Automation without interruption paths is negligence. Chapter 7. Individual FinAI and Organizational FinAI. Individuals optimize for speed. Organizations optimize for responsibility. Applied FinAI distinguishes the two. Organizational systems require logging, traceability, and reversibility. Every recommendation must be reviewable. Every decision must be explainable after failure. Systems that cannot explain themselves should not operate at scale. Chapter 8. Ethics is structure. Ethics is not a statement. It is a design choice. If a system allows irresponsible behavior, it will be used irresponsibly. Applied FinAI embeds ethics as constraints, not as warnings, not as disclaimers, as architecture. Responsibility must be impossible to bypass. Closing. Applied FinAI does not promise safety. It enforces limits. It does not remove risk. It contains it. This course completes the FinAI framework. From philosophy, to signal, to structure, to verification, to strategy, and finally, to operation. Systems that endure do not maximize intelligence. They carry responsibility.